Hi there, good people. Good evening from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Let me do a review on House of Jean-Paul Gaultier. Endless number of Lamal flankers. This is going to be another one, but this is going to be a special edition, Xmas edition or Christmas edition of 2020. Every year they release these flankers from this beautiful line, Lamal, top sold. And if you actually Google or Fragrantica, if you just type Lamal, Jean-Paul Gaultier, and you see suggestions, there will be hundreds of flankers. I lost track. They have women's side, classique, and they have a lot of flanker to that, and label, endless flankers. You will lose track. You can never ever finish the whole line review in your whole lifetime. Okay, but Lamal is the main boss. This is a BPI version that I have still. I got this like 2016 and I liked it a lot. It's basically a mint, lavender, vanilla, a little bit of I think cardamom, kind of like a mix with a tonka bean heavy, and this has a lot of flankers. I own quite a few. I did review a few. So today we'll be looking at the Xmas edition, and it's going to be a sample that I purchased from Sensual Seduction page, owned by Bilal Bhai in Bangladesh. I have a 2 ml sample. I've been wearing this since yesterday. A little bit of juice missing, so let's see what you get. This end is the Lamal Christmas edition, or Xmas edition rather. Beautiful bottle, I'll show you. Okay, let's do a fresh spritz. And on Fragrantica, they'll put the picture. This is the red bottle that just came out in 2020. If you see, it comes in a snow glove. Like the phone is not picking up here. It will have a heavy snow glove sort of box that is a collectible item. Whole torso is red and it's like white. I think it's like what that candy of Christmas. I forget the name. It has that stripe, you know, like those umbrella sort of candy that you eat during Christmas. It has the feel, and then whole box. If you shake it, it will give you a snow falling effect. Very nice. And these are limited time release. After a while they get discontinued and they pick up pretty penny in online prices. So I have the previous year's 2019 I think Christmas edition, which comes with a quote. I really like this one. Basically the same bottle as Lamal and almost identical juice to original Lamal, but opening I feel this Christmas edition was a little bit more, the mint was a little bit more amped up. So how different is it, you know, like this fragrance? Is it like a new fragrance, or is it worth checking out, or it's just for the bottle? I think Bilal Bhai got it and I just wanted a decant. So I think the fragrance, it doesn't deviate so much from original Lamal, just that Lamal original one I feel is a little bit more vanillic. The lavender is a little bit more stronger, or it's a bit wild, where it's just my brain, perhaps could be the same juice. So basically it's, if you have Lamal you don't need this, okay, because the thing is not dry down their exact same juice. But if you're wondering if special edition are better, stronger than regular Lamal, I don't think so. Longevity on this is subpar with my Lamal. I got about 4.5 hours because hot and humid, so it doesn't really last in high heat, but 4 to 5 hours. After that it's completely gone. The prices on these, I think you can have it under $60-65 after a while, if you get discounted. At that price it's good. If you like the bottle, you don't own Lamal, it will be a nice addition. But basically it has that sweet, typical, that fresh mint. It's almost feels like freshy, but slowly it goes to that powdery, barber shoppy, you know, like Fougere territory, and it's a little bit mature. Okay, at this current moment, if you ask me, the tonka heaviness, it's there in many fragrances, but that powdery aspect, they reduced it. Okay, I'm going to review another fragrance which is from Black Code or Armani Code line. Also feels a little bit of old school vibe. So this one has a maturity and it has a little dated vibe at this point, Lamal especially. So Lamal, if you have already the Lamal Le Parfum, Ultra Male, Lamal Christmas edition on the older ones, you don't need this, okay? Especially paying full retail, no. If you get it at a deal, 40-45 bucks, get it for the bottle, that's it. So perfume is very nice. If you still don't have Lamal, you can get it because the bottle looks much nicer. Then if you see side by side, you can tell if you want this bottle or the red bottle. I think the red one looks more awesome, right? But these are just simply business ideas to cash in more money from Lamal fans, right? So overall, this fragrance, just like Lamal, the smell is same, but on this particular release, if it's meant to be a brand new release, there's nothing new, nothing unique. For that aspect, it's a 0 for uniqueness. But overall, it smells just like the Xmas edition. 8 out of 10. no problem. Okay, so try it out. Le Male Xmas Edition, Christmas Edition 2020 by Jean Paul Gaultier. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, and thank you Bilal Bhai for awesome Likan service in Bangladesh. See you soon. Bye bye.